Redlands Ashlyn Motors factory is located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, in the southern part of India, spanning an area of 740,000 square feet and with a covered area of 120,000 square feet. Dedicated areas have been allocated here for design, in-house component production, product assembly and stores. Redlands Ashlyn Motors has, since its inception in 2008, put its emphasis on three pillars: innovation, highest quality, and yet at the most competitive prices. Proof of its commitment can be seen in 24% of the staff in R&D and 11% in quality control. The in-house facility of Redlands Research and Development develops, validates, and helps to commercialize new products and patents. A 50,000 square feet dedicated outdoor test area facilitates confidential and exhaustive testing before actual field tests. Redlands currently owns 8 groundbreaking patents, with many of them registered globally. It is the second company in the world to get a patent for the continuous round baler, which is the pinnacle of round baler technology. Redlands currently produces round straw balers, inline square balers, rotary hay rakes, bun formers and work trucks. Redlands has many newer products in the pipeline. The overall drive in both the developing and developed world, given the shrinking workforce everywhere and the ever-growing demand for food, is to mechanize farming as far as possible. That is, therefore, a great opportunity for Redlands. Redlands has an assembly area with a maximum capacity of 25 balers in a single shift of work, comprising experienced supervisory staff and technicians whose collective experience in manufacturing and assembly ensures quality products consistently. By the second half of 2024, the assembly facility of Redlands Ashlyn will shift to a 40,000 square feet large hangar and will have an automated assembly line that will include multiple autonomous mobile robots. Redlands places great emphasis on the safety and well-being of their staff as well as its users. So, a great part of its efforts is focused in this direction, be it at production or in the field where the machines are being used. It strives continually to achieve maximum customer satisfaction, leaving no stone unturned to achieve this goal. Every critical component is produced in Redlands' in-house facility. To do this, it has designed and built multiple unique special-purpose machines. Other in-house equipment includes robotic welders, laser welding, VMC and CNC machines, which are their biggest strengths. Redlands places great thrust on the core area of design, research and development of new products. The management gives the highest priority to budgets in this area of functionality. The state-of-the-art mechanical design lab and electronics lab have 30+ design engineers and expert senior and junior technicians for prototype assembly and field trials, which helps to achieve these goals. It aspires to be one among the best in the global farm machinery sector and is driven by a combination of innovation, world-class design, and user-friendly features. Redlands fanatically pursues every aspect of quality control. Its resource team of quality engineers makes up 11% of the total strength of the company, with precision gauges for measuring quality metrics and instrumentation to ensure conformity with raw and finished material, paints and coatings. Other QC aids include in-house designed, go and no-go gauges for design, forming and casting quality control. By striving to maintain the highest standards of quality production and service at all levels of our business, we aim to achieve all 3 levels of total quality. Today, Redlands is the world's #1 manufacturer of small round balers in terms of innovative design, quality and production volumes. Its machines have been exported to over 32 countries, including USA, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. By February 2024, the factory will be energy positive as part of its commitment to green energy by completing the installation of a 400 kilowatt solar off-grid plant at the factory. It will be an industry first in the country. Redlands Ashlyn Motors aspires to be one among the best in the global farm machinery sector. It is best known for its user-friendly innovations, world-class quality and affordable prices.